Oh! Oh! There he is.
That's on a sinker.
Wait. He come off. Oh yeah. Man, he's acting crazy too.
Oh man, I think we lost the board.
I don't know. We'll go back and get it here in a little bit. You got your net?
Yeah.
That's a big fish, man. Huh? Had to have.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, it's a good one. That's a good fish.
He's on.
He got it.
Take your time.
He wanting to go the other way, ain't he? I don't believe that fish knew he was hooked yet. Don't give him no slack.
I can stay on this side of the boat.
Yeah, he wanting to go this way. Wait again, Paul.
Yep.
That's a good fish.
Wait, might be a keeper.
Wanna come over here with him? There you go. Probably get him right there.
He ain't ready yet.
That's close. Along with some other fish. He sent it to me. He said that's proof right there. A striper never stops moving. That fish, all the other fish were just sitting there, and that striper was just none.
Oh, fish.
Oh, they're all off this side, bud.
Yeah.
That's a good one there.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Are you feeling it, bud?
Feeling it. Feeling good.
Feels good to have one on the other end, don't it?
Yeah. It's almost double right there.
Well, I'll tell you, you got one good thing going for you right now. You got the best. Oh, fish on the other side. He popped it. He's still running the bait up. He might come back and get it. You got the best net band in the business on this end. Dang, you gonna get him in?
I don't know. Every time I go to, he's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
If he ain't a good one, he sure thinks he is.
If he ain't, you think he is?
Yeah. I'm good with it,
Yeah.
whether he is or ain't. I've enjoyed this. Oh yeah, he's a good one. See the dorsal. Man, yeah. What I'm talking about.
Sunshine. We'll probably have to check that bait.
You want me to let him wait?
You can. That's a good one. Bring him to us.
I told you it wouldn't rain today. You tell you why?
Man, that's a good fish. Fish of the day so far, Paul.
I left my sunglasses.
Heck, that might have your personal best.
That might do it.
No.
I think 30.
20, no, 28 cheers right now.
I'll put a measurement on it. I'm just curious.
Yeah, it's laying right there. We're gonna measure him. He's close.
Dang. 27 and 3/4.
Oh, yeah, he doesn't know. No joke about him. I'm not playing flag football.
No.
I've got
Fish on. That and zone.
Oh, yeah.
That son gonna hammer that one now.
I'll be surprised if that's a real one.
You hear that click, son?
Right there, and then I'll move it.
Yeah, that's a good fish. See, he got the board down. There you go, Paul. Yeah, he took the board down.
Oh, come on over here because you don't want him to touch that boat.
Here, Paul. Want to go over another? You can probably just send it under there.
Come on, Ned. Doggone it, Ned. I'm gonna have to get stronger.
Start leaving it. Leave it down.
What, do something?
Here you go. He hammered that thing, son.
That ain't a keeper. I'd be surprised.
No, he kept it down the whole time.
He ain't come up yet.
It's gonna be close. I think he'll do it.
Huh?
I think he'll do it. Yep. 1/4 inch big. Oh! Oh! Son!
Don't get that on camera.
You have your wing wang
Yeah,
out?
yeah,
He had his wing wang out.
I'm feeding the fish.
You ain't feeding them much. They starving to death. Hey, that's a fish right there, Paul. That son gun's way out there. He's heading over this way. There you go. There you go. Come over with him. Hey, they got him a good one here, bud. That rain's gonna get him spunked. Oh! You see that?
Mm-hmm.
They killed this middle one over here. Oh, tighten up on him if you got to. Oh yeah, he's still digging. Oh! Paul! Paul! Here, doubled up, boys. That's a good one too.
Yeah, it is.
Boys, we got 2 on right here. We'll get another and I'm gonna have to drop this camera. He's coming this way. Ain't nothing you can do about it. I'll be alright. Oh, he seen the board and turned around, didn't he? Where's the net?
That's its front.
Alright, hold. Oh man, this is getting hectic. Getting hectic. Where you at? Oh yeah, that's a good one.
I'll bring him up.
Bring him up to me. There you go. Let me see what you got. That's one for the box, baby. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. There we go. He's done.
Good in there.
Oh yeah.
Good in there.
Good fish.
Well, that's the biggest one of the day.
Yeah, that's a 28 inch right there at least. All right, we'll get him out the net and we can get Paul's. That's probably a good fish Paul got too.
Yeah, he's good. I've just been trying to take my time with him.
Heck yeah, son. That's a pile of meat right there. Come on, bring him on, Paul. I'm right here. Bring him to me. I busted him, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
Man,
He ain't as big as I thought.
his fish made yours look small.
That's really small.
Well, we officially outdone what we done last week, sure.
Yeah.
That's a pig right there, son. He got his mouth closed.
Mm-hmm.
I'd have thought that fish was longer than that.
Yeah.
So what is he,
pulled me.
25?
25, I would have too. But look at him.
He's big. He's like,
Yeah.
right there!
Which
Middle
one?
He's on it. He's on it.
Which one?
Right here. Right here.
The green one?
Right there, the middle one. He's on it. I'm
This one?
telling you. Yeah. He was on it. He was still on it the whole time y'all was standing there. I told y'all marking.
Ain't doing nothing.
Well, it's because we were turning and the fish was swimming kind of with us.
And I'm like, I don't see nothing.
I seen it. He when he pulled it down, he kept it down, and it, from where I was standing, I could see the rod bent.
Okay.
From where y'all were standing, you really couldn't tell it.
Cause I'm like,
And I said, he's still on there. Ain't no size to him, but fish.
So I don't need the net.
Probably not. I don't know. Ain't no bad fish.
Oh yeah. You don't need the net.
Yeah, that's a keeper. Well, I didn't think he was that big till he just come up. Yeah, that's a keeper. That's number 6. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, fish right here. Whoa! Here, that's a good one, son. I hit myself in the chin with it.
You said, Duke, slip out of your hand. I'm like,
Hey, I caught it by the tip of my finger. He acting like he's something, ain't he? You underneath this one. Come around this. be close.
Fish!
Ain't nothing like that. Fish too. Paul, you gonna put one in the box?
This might be my second one in the box.
I don't believe you put one in the box.
Yeah, I put one. 28, almost 28 inches.
Good. Yeah. Uh-oh. Nope. And still today, Paul still
Only
can't
put
put
one.
one in the cooler.
Only put one.
He's wrapped up.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Fish on, fish on, fish on. Okay, I'm sorry.
Jamil said he's gonna put this one in the cooler. Ain't that right, Jamil?
That's right. Put him in the cooler.
Put him in the cooler.
Let's see what he's got here.
Of course, I'm getting all the little ones out of the way.
Hey, that was on the weight. That was on the weight there.
Yeah.
I don't think it's mattered though, because it's been all over the place. He's wanting to go to the other side of the boat. So that one's gonna be close too. Where's he at? Oh yeah. Keep. Just let Jamil reel him in from now on.
I'm just going.
I'm telling you, he's filling the box up.
That's a good one there.
He's filling the box up. Look at there.
Yep, sure is.
Go ahead. I ain't even gonna grab it.
Oh, yeah, you are. Come on, get it.
I'm gonna let him get it, cause
That sucker made a racket, didn't it?
yeah, boom.
It scared the piss out of me.
I'm like, nah, I'm done. Catch the little one. I'll catch the little one after you get this one started getting in. That's a kind of big, and I don't know what it was.
I don't believe he's gonna make it.
I don't know. Dang, he sure sounded good, though, didn't he? Yeah, I think he's gonna make it. He's gonna be
I
close.
do too. It's gonna be right at it. 20 and a half. That thing got a big old tail on it.
You don't measure?
Oh yeah.
Too bad. You 22.